Walnuts, 11 benefits of walnuts. Are you looking for an easy and filling snack on the go? Nuts are nature's way of showing us that good things come in small packages. These bite-sized nutritional powerhouses are packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Walnuts, with their coveted buttery flavor, provide the perfect crunch for any topping or crust. We are going to explain 11 benefits of walnuts. Maintain your ideal weight. Need to lose a few unwanted pounds or having trouble keep weight off? Adding walnuts to your diet can help you to maintain your ideal weight over time. According to one research, those whose diets included extra nuts or nuts substituted for other foods lost about 1.4 extra pounds and half an inch from their waists. Eating walnuts is also associated with increased satiety after just 3 days. By eating 4 to 5 walnut halves a day, maintaining an otherwise healthy diet, and incorporating exercise on a daily basis, walnuts can speed up your metabolism and assist in losing weight more quickly. Diabetes. The beneficial dietary fat in walnuts has been shown to improve metabolic parameters in people with type 2 diabetes. Overweight adults with type 2 diabetes who ate 1 1/4 cup of walnuts daily had significant reductions in fasting insulin levels compared to those who did not, and the benefit was achieved in the first 3 months. Trying to kick the sugar habit? By eating 1/4 cup natural walnuts daily, your sugar cravings will be greatly reduced. Helps to sleep better. Do you ever think to yourself on those restless nights? Melatonin occurs naturally in walnuts, which has been shown to be an effective sleep aid. It also helps to lessen the effects of jet lag. Anti-aging benefits. Walnuts also contain antioxidants, molecules capable of slowing or preventing oxidation, so eating foods with antioxidants can protect your cells from damage caused by the aging or sun. Heart health. More than a decade of scientific evidence shows that incorporating walnuts in a healthy diet reduces the risk of heart disease by improving blood vessel elasticity and plaque accumulation. Walnuts contain the amino acid L-arginine, which offers multiple vascular benefits to people with heart disease, or those who have increased risk for heart disease due to multiple cardiac risk factors. They may also reduce several of the risk factors for heart disease, especially when combined with other healthy lifestyle habits. Eating just 4 walnuts a day has been shown to significantly raise blood levels of heart-healthy ALA, and walnut consumption supports healthful cholesterol levels. Separate research showed that eating just 1 ounce of walnuts a day may decrease cardiovascular risk. Full of vitamins, this wonderful nut is packed with nutrients that protect our delicate skin. Vitamins A, C and D are often found in skin creams which profess to make us look younger. Walnut is one of the top foods that fight aging by protecting our skin against sun damage and atmospheric pollutants. This nut just happens to be one of the superfoods that contains skin-saving vitamins A, B, C, and E naturally. Helps to increase memory. For increased memory, try eating approximately 10 walnut halves daily. This may reduce the risk, or slow the onset, of Alzheimer's disease. Laboratory studies have shown that diets containing at least 2% walnuts may reverse age-related motor and cognitive deficits. Boost energy levels. Walnuts are an amazing energy booster. Feeling a little sluggish around mid-morning? Try a handful of walnuts and raisins to keep energy levels up throughout the day. This makes walnuts a great pre-workout food as well. Omega-3 fatty acids. Compared with other tree nuts, walnuts contain the highest amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Just 1 ounce of walnuts contains 2.5 grams of alpha-linolenic acid, also known as ALA, a polyunsaturated fat which is necessary in the diet. Helps to fight from cancer. Walnuts may help reduce not only the risk of prostate cancer, but breast cancer as well. In one study, mice that ate the human equivalent of 2.4 ounces of whole walnuts for 18 weeks had significantly smaller and slower growing prostate tumors compared to the control group that consumed the same amount of fat but from other sources. Overall, the whole walnut diet reduced prostate cancer growth by 30 to 40%. FDA-approved health benefits. In 2003, the FDA recognized the benefits of nuts and their role in heart disease prevention by approving a health claim for 7 kinds of nuts: almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts, pecans, some pine nuts, pistachios and walnuts. These 7 nuts were approved as they are the only kinds that contain less than 4 grams of saturated fats per 50 grams. In response to a petition filed by the California Walnut Commission, the FDA further endorsed the health benefits of walnuts by approving these health claim in March 2004. Supportive but not conclusive research shows that eating 1.5 ounces of walnuts per day, as part of a low saturated fat and low cholesterol diet, and not resulting in increased caloric intake, may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Like almonds, walnuts are mostly cultivated in California, and they are also a rich source of healthy monounsaturated fats. 2/3 of the world of TMS walnuts come from California TMS Central and Coastal Valley. Bonus tip: how to add walnuts in your healthy diet. Nuts in general are high in calories, so moderation is the key. The best approach is to reap the health benefits of eating walnuts but not add excessive calories to your daily intake. Therefore, instead of just adding walnuts to your current diet, eat them in replacement of foods that are high in saturated fats such as cheese and meat, and limit your intake of these tasty treats to the recommended 1.5 ounces per day. That is about 20 walnut halves. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to our channel.